What up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to bring to you an unboxing of a gun that I had on my wish list for about a year now. The gun is pretty much new to the US. A lot of y'all probably familiar with it, may have seen some reviews on it. But yeah, I saw a review by Mr. Guns and Gear about a year ago, and the gun caught my eye, and it's been on my radar for about a year now. So with that being said, stick around with me. We're gonna do an unboxing, and actually right now Springfield has a special Black Friday deal going on where the gun is on sale. You get a free red dot, you get a free single point sling, you get a PMAG, and the rifle case, typical rifle case that Springfield give you. I got a similar one with my St. Vic, and they give you a $200 voucher for some apparel. I'm not too familiar with that clothing line, but $200, I'll put it to use. But with that being said, stick around and we're gonna do this unboxing.
Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
With everybody together, but that's the need to keep a bustle once the blood shining.
This is the rifle case that it comes with. This gun, for those of you not too familiar with this gun, this is a bullpup. This gun comes with a 16-inch barrel, but it's about the size of an AR pistol or a Mark 18. Here it comes with the, the lock. Because of my state laws, my capacity laws, I wasn't able to get the free mag that come with it, but pretty nice gun bag. Here it is. Just the unique look of this gun is what caught my attention. To me, it looked better than the Tavor. I think it's a cool little gun to have. Alright. So the gun is empty. This gun has an ambidextrous charging handle. You can charge it from either side. It has they actually fixed it has a ambidextrous safety, and they actually fixed it. This model is they fixed the angle of it. The newer models, they came out and safe was still pointing up like this. So right now I got it on fire, but if you switch it down, see how it look level, it's flush. The previous ones, the first generation ones that came out in the US last year, this would still be angled up a little bit. So it made it harder for some people to reach it. But I don't have a problem with reaching it. But I'm glad that they gave me the more updated one. It also came with flip up iron sights. These iron sights are steel, and save me some money. This is the Vortex Crossfire red dot that they gave me for free. here is this button here is your mag release, and this is your bolt release right here. So you just slide that back. It also has the cheek riser mount with an adjustable butt stop. So you adjust it by this, adjust your length of pull, and you got your flash hider, 3-prong flash hider. So yeah, this gun is fully ambidextrous. You can change the ejection port. This just flips down. You can change that to this side. You just pull out a pin, this pin here, go open it up, flip over the bolt carrier group 180 degrees, and you can have a left-handed gun. So this is the red dot that they sent me for free. This is a Vortex Crossfire red dot. It came with a low riser mount and a high riser mount. So you got that there. Also, the gun takes your standard AR-15 mags, and this gun operates just like your rifle, your 16-inch rifle. The only thing is it's in the bullpup configuration, meaning that all of the action happens back here, as opposed to on the AR-15 happening up here. So people were complaining about the trigger having that mushy feel because of everything happening in the rear of the gun. And I don't know what the first generation ones felt like, but this trigger, it felt normal to me. Like, I mean, it had a little bit of take up. Actually, it's not a lot. There you go. So you can see the take up. It's a little bit of travel, but once you hit the breaking point, it has a nice crisp feeling. So I'll show you the reset. Get a little closer. You can see it. See, it's not far. It's not. So I don't see that being a problem for me. And yeah, with this gun, I think my plans are just gonna have a little fun with this one. I might put a suppressor on it, and I don't think I'm gonna keep this red dot. I think I'm gonna put an LPVO on this gun. Sitting here holding it with one hand, this gun is a little heavy, and all of the weight of this gun is in the back. But when you are shouldering this gun, you know how if you had an AR and it's the weight is kind of like in the middle, and your arm kind of get tired from, extending it. This gun, it don't really feel like that because it feel like all of the weight is just resting on my shoulder here. So I feel like I could hold this gun longer. The iron sights co-witness with the red dot, really good. And you have M-lock rails. This is a polymer handguard, and it has an adjustable gas block right here for suppression. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do too much. I don't think I'm gonna change the muzzle. This fine with me, and I don't think I'm going to change the grip. It takes your standard AR-15 pistol grip. This feel fine. If any of y'all got the same Vic, and you know how the texture of the same Vic is kind of rough, gritty. I don't even think this one is as rough as the same Vic, but yeah, I like it. I like this grip. What else? You got your cheek riser. I'm gonna have to play with this. See how I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, this is my new toy, and I can't wait to get it to the range. Once I get it to the range, y'all know I'm gonna have some footage for y'all. And right now the price of ammo got me. I'm trying to stock up on my ammo. But y'all already know. As soon as I get to the range, I'm gonna get some footage. But hopefully I was able to help any of you guys make a decision if y'all in the market or thinking about getting this gun. Y'all know, I just got it today, so I haven't shot it. I don't know how it feels shooting, but I'm excited. And yeah, that's it. Springfield Hellion. So thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch y'all boys on the next one.